Updating the apps on your new iPhone 12 should be done easily as long as your device is connected to a reliable internet connection. These kinds of updates should push through with a breeze if the storage on your phone is enough. But what will you do if you're trying to update the apps but it won't do it on your iPhone 12? In this video, we will show you how to fix apps that won't update on iPhone 12. First solution: soft reset your iPhone 12. One of the reasons why an app would fail to update or won't update at all is due to a minor system glitch. But it could be rectified easily by simply restarting your iPhone 12. This procedure is very simple and could cure a lot of system issues on your device. Here's how. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Once the phone has restarted, ensure that your iPhone 12 is connected to a reliable internet connection and then try to update the apps. Second solution: sign out then sign in your Apple ID on your iPhone 12. Having a correct working Apple ID is needed to update the apps on your device. To ensure that you are using the right Apple ID and to remove the possibility of conflicts that may hinder the app update, sign out the Apple ID on your iPhone 12 and then sign in again. From the home screen, access Settings. Tap your Apple ID. Select the option to sign out from the pop-up menu. After doing that, try to sign back in. After signing in again successfully, try to update the apps on your iPhone 12 to verify if it pushes through and the problem has been resolved. Third solution: reset network settings on your iPhone 12. Bad network settings could also contribute to apps not updating issues on your iPhone 12. You might have configured some of the settings like Wi-Fi networks or APNs and it affects the connectivity on your device. To rule this out, perform a reset network settings procedure to revert those manually configured information to their default values and options without deleting your personal information. Here's how. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Once the reset has been completed, connect to your Wi-Fi and check if the issue has been rectified. I hope this troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enable the notification. Thanks for watching.